We're here today to let everyone know about Ringling's long history of animal abuse. In fact, all circuses that use animals are inherently cruel. When they're not training or performing, these wild animals spend their lives chained up and traveling around the country in little boxcars, often without adequate access to water, food, and veterinary care. Not only are they deprived of everything that comes naturally to them, but in order to force the animals to do these unnatural tricks, it actually takes years of very cruel training techniques. Trainers use whips, bull hooks, shock probes, and limb restraints, and severe psychological abuse in order to force these animals into submission. Former trainers have actually come forward and spoken out against these abuses, which have been documented on film time and time again. In 2011, Ringling paid the largest USDA fine in history for animal abuse and neglect. We want everyone to boycott Ringling and all other circuses that use animals.